Yum.
It's a vegetable we picked up at the market yesterday. So he just put some palm oil in there, cooking oil. Some pork.
Ngoại nhân rôm.
Oyster sauce.
Thịt phấn rôm. Rau chua nốt.
A little bit of water. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.